You're joining Highway 401 West on a clear blue sky day, right in Toronto's busy West End. This stretch of the 401 is always packed, partly because it sits beside Toronto Pearson Airport, Canada's largest and busiest travel hub. More than 47 million passengers move through Pearson each year, and much of the airport's traffic connects directly to this highway. As you head west, the steady flow of cars and trucks shows why the 401 is considered one of the busiest highways in North America. Built in the 1950s and expanded many times since, it's a key route for commuters, travelers, and goods moving across the entire province. The drive wraps up as you pass the Dixon Road exit, an area known for hotels, cargo facilities, and airport services. A reminder of just how connected this part of the city is to both local life and global travel.